Okay, Joe, what do you got there?
What we got here is the Traditions Kentucky flintlock built from a kit. It's got 65 grains of FFG in it. It's got a 490 ball with a patch and a cap on it, and we're going to make it go bang.
All right, let's go do that.
See what it does. It definitely went bang.
No, it didn't.
First time, every time.
Yes!
Not go get bang it.
We ready to go?
Ready to go.
Ears and eyes for everybody.
Whoa!
Definitely makes a boom. Everybody else has eyes and ears on.
He's got
Probably
him.
a 4-pound trigger. That's a beauty. And the half cock.
So what do you think, Stan?
Kaboom! Always fun getting a space full of smoke.
Oh yeah, without the pad you can tell the difference.
Did poke me a little bit there. Why do they put like little poke things on there? You think they would round that off a little bit?